friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, coming back at you again. It's quiet in here because the boy's about to close. Hopefully they don't cut the lights out on your boy. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. We're on the road to 2K. Hopefully we can hit 2K by the end of the year. Then we're gonna move on to 5. But y'all see it in the title. So I'm about to give y'all a quick look of the Seattle Supersonics Retro 10s, OG colorway, 1995. I don't know, man. I know the masses don't like 10s, but I don't know. I'm predicting these things to sit, but I've seen Unbreakable and Mike Rich do an early video on them, so they finally came in, so I decided to do it myself. But let's go ahead and blast off and get into this thing. Seattle 10s, back for the first time since 1995. Some of y'all watching wasn't even born. Some of y'all, I already know, some of y'all YouTubers don't even watch basketball, didn't watch basketball, don't even play basketball. That's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. Let y'all see it. Now this is a kid size 4, OG retro box. And like I said, for the first time since 95. Oh my God. Whew. And just the first look at them, oh Lord. They even fire in kids. Hey, Retro Whiz Kid. These things smell, test, approve, baby. So let's go ahead and get into this joint, man. You got your Seattle Supersonics 10s, Retro 10s. So you guys already know the Seattle Supersonics, they were a franchise back in the day in the NBA. That franchise ended in 2008. KD only played like 1 year with the Supersonics, and then they went to Oklahoma City. Hey, Adam Silver, we need an NBA team back in Seattle, man. We need it for the culture. Old school NBA fans like myself, we just want it back. Like, we just need it back, man. We just need it back. Now, you guys already know with the Retro 10s, the colorway, not really too hot, but these are coming from the City Pack. We had Seattle Supersonics. I said Seattle Supersonics, and we got the Seattle Supersonics right here. Anyway, but we had the New York joints, we had the Orlando 10s, the powder blue 10s, which basically looks just like the Orlando 10s. The Seattle 10s, I need that one. And there was a lilac in women's only. If they make that one in men's, then I'm definitely gonna get them. But the 10s, Seattle 10s, hey man, I'm gonna let y'all know, 10s are like the most underrated Jordans of all time. These are one of the most comfortable Air Jordans ever, man. Like, 10s don't get the respect they deserve. Like, I know the colorway can be kind of plain, but these are one of the most comfortable Air Jordans of all time. All right, now getting into the colorway of things, on your midsole, you got your black and you got your green hints coming up along the midsole. All right, and along the shoestring, the laces, you got black, and then you have a green lining. Now, on the inside, a lot of people don't know that the size tag is stamped in. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the size tag is stamped in. So this is a 4.5 U. I said 4. This is a 4.5 U size. All right. Now, going into the sole of this thing, man, you got Jordan accomplishments, and you got the yellow Jumpman. All right. So that green and yellow is definitely taking the Seattle Supersonic vibes, man. Like I said, I'm an old school NBA guy, man. Like the Rain Man, Sean Kemp, Gary Payton, one of the best defensive point guards from Oakland. Oh my Lord. But this is a sneaker. I'm predicting these to sit because a lot of people, the masses usually don't like 10s. So I'm predicting these to sit. Hopefully they go on sale. I will get if they go on sale. I can't see myself paying full price for these things, man. But it's definitely a dope sneaker. Like, without a shot of a doubt, this is a dope sneaker. I'm sorry I couldn't get a men's size for y'all. Right now, we only got kids. But overall, like I said, it's an overall dope sneaker, man. So y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Also, next coming up, I'm waiting on Wednesdays for my Travis Scotts. And I thought about it. They will not be for sale. I need to keep that in my collection because IBA and all them other cats, they be getting on me like, hey, GOAT, you ain't got no heat in your collection. Well, goddamn it, I got some heat now. Excuse my French for the kids that's watching. My bad, y'all. My bad. Y'all know GOAT don't curse like that, but I had to let that thing go on them things, man. But retailing for $190, releasing this weekend, October 19th. You got just Seattle Supersonics Retro 10. Give y'all an up close look on these things. right, man. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I gave y'all an up close look on these things. Seattle Supersonic 10 coming out this weekend, retailing for $190 in men's and $140 in kids, baby. But other than that, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. And like peanuts to an elephant, baby, I'm sending y'all love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that thing. Gone.